Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Whirlpool range oven and you are getting an F3 error on the display and you're wondering what this is and how to get rid of it. So what the F3 or sometimes F3E2, there's a couple different F3 categories and they're all really dealing with the same thing, which is that they're getting some kind of faulty reading from the temperature sensor. And the easiest thing to do is just to replace the temperature sensor on your oven. It's very cheap to do. You can get one for about $15. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the replacement temperature sensor. And then all you need to do is come around to the back of your oven, make sure it's unplugged, remove the back panel, and you'll see, usually at the top right, but you'll have to look around your specific model, you will see something that looks like this. These two wires plugging in here, and then this unit here. This is the sensor. All we need to do is disconnect these wires, unscrew this screw here. The sensor will just pull out. You'll just take your new sensor, put it in, reconnect the wires, and put everything back together. Now, when you turn your oven on, you might get a PF error. That's a power failure error. You just need to hit the cancel button to clear it out, and you should be good to go. So if this video helped, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.